Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be touching 4 topics real quick. And the first one we're going to be talking about is Dalton Harris visit adopted mom. I'm figuring he didn't visit his real biological mom. The second one we're going to be talking about is Aidonia got into an accident. And then the third one is going to be about the police officer that was a entertainer DJ that I featured on my channel last year that was shot and killed. And then the next one is going to be a quick, simple, easy Dear Pasta. So let's get into it. X Factor UK winner Dalton Harris visited his friends, the Lawson family, who live in the deep rural community of Grantham, a small village in northwest Clarendon, last week. He came to see us last week Saturday, 2 Saturdays ago. It was really joyful to see him again. Rowena Lawson told Loop News reporter Claude Mills. She is Dalton's life mother, not his biological mother, but it was her tender care and attention that set him on the path to his present success, including nurturing his talents when he entered the Digital Rising Star contest, that should have said. After he won the X Factor contest, he had called us to say that he would be visiting this summer, but he came to see us a bit early instead. It was great because everyone had been asking how come he hasn't come back to look for us yet. He was doing a documentary about his musical life, and we did an interview with the directors who came with him about our role in starting him on his journey, and how he got in touch with me and my mother, now deceased, she said. Lawson said the family and Dalton sang a couple of original songs they used to sing together years ago. We sang Sailor Boy together and Dalton cried. And we also did God is Our Refuge and Strength. It was really a beautiful moment, she said. However, it is not all been heartwarming time for Lawson, who said she is a bit perturbed by comments being made in her community since Dalton's win. She said she is often assailed by questions about the relationship between Dalton's mother, Sylvia Campbell, and Dalton. Everybody don't palm me that Dalton must take care of his mother. But I keep telling them that what he wants to do with his mother is his business. He is a grown man and he has the proper values and attitudes. He is a big man. You can't say rain or fall and tell a big man say rain nah fall. If he wants to take care of his mother, and I'm sure he is doing his best by her, that is his business. So I need people to stop asking me questions, Lawson, who is a gospel singer in her own right, said. Dalton Harris has been booked to perform at this year's Reggae Sunfest show in Montego Bay this summer. The Lawson themselves need a musical breakthrough. They have a group, the Gospel Blazers, that have compiled a CD of original gospel songs, which they hope to sell to finance the building of their church, Full True Church of God Deliverance Center in their community. The church building was started 20 years ago by her mother, the late Pastor Sahara Lawson, in 2008. The sister put $500,000 into building to keep the dream alive. The Gospel Blazers EP is called Sailor Boy, and it contains 3 original gospel songs: Sailor Boy, My Sweet Jesus, and God is Our Refuge and Strength. And the next one we're going to be talking about is Aidonia meeting in a car accident. He mashed up the big bad Benz, but it's all good because he is safe and sound. A lot of times these entertainers drive drunk or they drive high as a kite because they've been smoking marijuana, and it's not good. It's definitely not good for them because your life can be taken away in an instant, okay? And it's not okay, especially when you have kids and a family to live by. So big up to Aidonia. Thank God he's safe and sound and he wasn't harmed in that accident. Please keep safe on these Jamaica streets because these people drive crazy also. The next one we're going to be talking about is a cop that was killed, and he was also an entertainer. District Constable Michael Aladis, who was shot dead in Rockford, East Kingston early on Sunday morning, was known to many in Kingston Central Police Division as a hard-working cop who had big dreams for himself within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But not all of his colleagues and associates knew in detail of his exploits as an upcoming entertainer. Years before his demise, Aladis was slowly becoming a household name in the local entertainment industry. He is shown in one of several music videos which he recorded, notably lamenting the level of violence in society. Ironically, the body of the district constable was found with gunshot wounds to the head in Rockford on Sunday. The body was found slumped over the steering wheel of a motor car in the community, sometimes after gunshots were heard in the area, and they were saying that he was actually running taxi when he got shot. And it's very sad. It's very sad to see people go like this. But you have to be very, very careful when you are in Jamaica, whether you're a police officer or you're a regular citizen. Anything can come knocking at your door. RIP and condolence go to his friends and family and everybody that knew him. Okay, the next one we're going to be talking about is a dear pastor. And I really wanted to get your guys' opinions on this one. And it says, "Dear Pastor, I have 2 baby mothers, one old that has my first 2 kids, and my future wife who has also given me to love my kids too. My problem is the first baby mother feels as if she can call my phone as she please any hour of the day, even though I ignore her most of the times. And my current baby mother gets upset. She said I must set a time frame for her to call my phone. She calls early most times." When you're dealing with kids, you can set a time frame. But what do you guys think about someone that you have children with calling you all types of time when it has nothing to do with your kids? Also, what do you think about a spouse that will allow a person that they were with to speak ill about the person that they're with now? Do you think that that is right? Or do you think that the person that they're with should say something? And if they don't say anything, what should the person they're with do? Okay? And when I say talk bad about the spouse they're with now, they say stuff like they don't like them or they don't like their ex-spouse new kid, or they talk a bunch of BS, things that are not true in front of their kids, and then their kids come around their dad and repeat it to the person that they're with now. Do you think that is okay in a relationship? And what should you do if it's never addressed by the person you're with? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.